This is a brand new 2013 Audi A5, a great fit and finish. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a turbocharger, a locking center differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, heated windshield washer fluid, alloy wheels, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.